Alright, so here's how to fix JPG or JPEG file not opening on Windows 11. So if your JPEG file is not opening in your Windows, then here's the thing you can do. First of all, you need to go to the search bar and search for Windows PowerShell. And now from here, you need to go with the Run as Administrator. Simply open this up, and then from here, you need to simply copy and paste this text which I have given into the comment section. So simply copy from there and simply paste it into here. After doing so, simply hit enter. So as you can see, it is getting updated. So it will take some time, guys. So you need to hold on. Alright, so after doing so, you can simply close it up and try to open your JPEG or JPG file. So sometimes it will work for you, if not. So now onto the search bar, you need to search for the settings and simply open this up. And onto the left side, you will probably see the apps. So open the apps, and from the default apps, you will need to open this up. And now onto the search bar, simply search for the photos. As you can see, here is the photos. So open these photos up, and then from here you'll need to select the JPEG as your default file type. So let me just to find out the JPEG. As you can see, guys, we have the JPEG and JPG. So from here we need to tap on this option, and then from here you will need to select the photos and select as default. Once again, for the JPEG, we will select the photos and save as default. Now after doing so, you need to once again go to the application. So for that reason, you need to tap on this option, apps, and then from here you need to go with the installed apps. All right, so from the install apps, you need to search for photos and simply go with the three dots right beside it and simply tap on the advanced option. Now once you have done to here, you'll probably see the terminate option, reset option, as well as the reset button and repair button. So from this button, first thing first, you can simply tap on the terminate button firstly, and then from here you need to select the repair button, or you can go with the reset. So let me just go with the reset first, and then again go with the repair button. So once you have done both of these, you can simply close all of these applications and simply try to open the JPEG or JPG file. So this time it will work. So that's how you can fix JPEG and JPG file not opening on Windows 11. So hope this video helps you. If yes, please leave a like and have a very good day.